Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to set timer on Snapchat. To start this tutorial, open your Snapchat application in your mobile device. Once you are done, click on the plus sign on the right side of the screen. This one over here in the options. And then you're going to scroll down, and then look for the word that says timer. And then in here, you already added it. Now tap on the timer itself. Now you can now set the length of your recording. Could be 1 second, could be 10 seconds, depending on you. Once you're satisfied, set the timer. And there you have it. Every time you're going to snap, it will now have a timer. As you can see, the video is only a 1 second length. And that's it. Super easy, right? Now, you can also click the plus sign and then add one more. Now you can close. You can abandon your masterpiece if you're not yet satisfied and if you wanted to add more. Again, adjust everything from the timer from that same place. Here, let's try to adjust it one more time. To make it a bit lengthier. Maybe 2 seconds will do. And that's it. Post it as normal. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.